natin ngayon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ating Ministry of Public Works.
Kagagaling na namin
Walang iba
sa
kundi
Lanao,
si Member of Parliament
Del Sur, District Engineering Office 1 and District
Edward
Engineering
Pulguera,
2.
Architect.
So,
Dito sa kanyang opisina
5 days kami ron.
MP na wala. Sa
Normally,
PAO.
meron kami year-end
Ating pong
assessment
katigan.
based on doon sa
Kabang
performance
sa
ng mga district natin with regard to the implementation and identification of the priority projects ng constituent natin doon sa Lanao. So, for 5 days kami ron, nagkanda kami ng isa-isa namin yung status ng mga implementation ng project. So far, well and good naman yung implementation. There are some challenges. Mayroong mga contractor masyadong mabagal, pero we call their attention, otherwise we're going to cancel their contract and it will resort to blacklisting of these contractors. Hindi nilang tapusin we give them a chance to submit the CATSA plan and then implement it, and yun nga, hindi nila na-implement yan, so mag-blacklist sila. So they have no business to enter into any kind of construction dito sa lugar ng barn. So we give them the chance to submit the CATSA plan and implement it. So ito, so far, very tight schedule. 5 days, naglibot tayo ng buong Lanao, District 1, District 2. So okay naman yung mga implementation ng project natin. There are some projects which we cannot deny na hindi mabagal ang usad ng pag-implement. So we will call the attention of the contractors and give them warning and to submit their own CATSA plan to complete the projects. So yun na lang ang namin. So we are going back there to closely monitor the implementation project. So far ngayon, kasi alam mo naman kasi dating sa mga infra, medyo matagal yan in time ng pag-implement, pag-construct, we need time. Then mahahampar pa na ma-delay yan, the negligence ng contractor or may good reasons na because of the climate, yung laging ulan, o talagang madidelay yung mga projects natin. But so far, so good yung implementation ng mga project natin. Dami, natapos na. So, ang paglibot namin, ang sinasabi ng mga LGUs as well as the mga barangay captains natin doon, the recipient of these projects, ramdam na daw nila ang barn ngayon. So, nakakataba ng puso, at least na-appreciate ng tao yung mga projects natin. So far, so good. So, yun na lang po.
Any challenges? About naman po sa Maguindanao, sa buong part po naman.
Maguindanao, yes. We're going to conduct our Impact Ministry Performance Assessment Conference. Itong week na ito, mag-umpisa namin yung District 2. So, i-assist namin, mag-report sila anong status ng project. And at the same time, we verify. We go around all the projects para makita yung totoo yung sinasabi nila sa report nila.
Okay.
No? So, titingnan yung pati yung quality ng mga projects na i-implement. So, we will go moving around sa itong week until next week. Katapusin namin ng Maguindanao. Tapos na kami doon sa ulo.
At least,
mga 10 days kami ron. Nalayo kasi, pero so far so good din naman. So wala naman yung mga ghost project na yun, wala. So talagang i-implement talaga. And we see to it na any billing for that matter or any concern or specific project, pag nasabit ng billing, bago namin babayaran ng ministry, papadala kami ng tao to really palitin na yun ang placement. There should be a check and balance. We trust our district engineer, but as a matter of check and balance, before we pay, before we download any funding sa district, we see to it na check ng ministry. This April, hindi na namin maintain yun. So, ato rin yung pinadala ko ng tao to really check the implementation of our projects.
Okay, sir.
So, yun na po namin information. Anyway, we're going to create a commentary on the implementation of the project. At tatanungin natin, alayo sa mga tinatanungin maraming tao, anong say nila. Yeah. So far, happy naman ang mga tao. So, ramdam namin ang bar ngayon ang mga basis ng karamihan ng mga constituent natin.
Ang ating extemporaneous interview with Member of Parliament MP Edward Uy Guerra. Dito lamang sa kanyang opisina ng Ministry of Public Works dito sa lungsod ng Cotabato. Maraming salamat. This is Tay Abdul Karim on Adolescent TV News Online. Maraming salamat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.